This is the JJRC. I think it's 1/10 scale or 1/16 scale, probably 1/10 scale Jeep. I think we paid $60 for this, and the level of detail is really nice. I am not a hardcore RC person, but you got little flashing signals. And it's got full-time four-wheel drive. This edition comes with this winch, and yes, the winch is functional. There is a couple of problems with this. This little screwdriver, it's not great, but it is the one tool they give you. And so I need to find a place for that. I just came up with an idea for that because the hood opens and that's where the battery is stored. But if you want to put a larger battery, obviously you're going to run out of room. So I don't know that it will work out, but my plan is to try and figure out how to mount this maybe right here and see if I can get the lid closed. But here's my issue with this, is that once you mount this winch, you can see this wire right here. And I don't like how it's ran. You can see this one is obviously ran. They don't really walk you through any of this very well. So anyway, what I'm going to try to do in this video is see if I can take the body off of this thing and route this a little bit better. I don't want it, coming loose and interfering with the drive shaft or anything like that. Going underneath the driver's side of the transfer case. As I'm tugging on this, that's not going to work. This end is going to be too big to fit through here. There's way too much tension. Hey, look at that. Okay, that's what I want. Push on the suspension, bottom it out. When I say bottom it out, push it down as much as you can without breaking it. And then just a little bit more because this will angle down and then this slides into place. that works. Now let's test our winch. Right on. She's quick. I know you can't see the winch, but yeah, it's working. Let me know what you think, what I should put right here. I have an idea. I want to put a driver in here, because check this out. This is cool. They've connected the steering wheel to the rack, right? So see the steering wheel turn? And I know people have been putting like G.I. Joe and Indiana Jones and so on in there, but I was thinking I have something that I've been designing to put in there, a driver. But yeah, if you have any suggestions, let me know. And then here, obviously I could mount 50 caliber, right? But do you guys have any ideas? If you do, let me know in the comments, because I do read comments. I know a lot of guys don't, but I do. So anyway, yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned to the channel. I'll keep showing you upgrades along the way on this thing. Let's have some fun.